point in our evolution when we didn't guide life by distrusting our instincts, and had to think about it, and had to purposely arrange and discipline and push our lives around in accordance with foresight and words and systems of symbols, accountancy, calculation, and so on. And then we worry. Once you start thinking about things, you worry as to whether you've thought enough.
Grab a hold, take my hand and follow me. Where we're going, there are things for the eye to see. When we're over there, you'll feel it all around. Let it all come through, our love for you. There ain't a thing that will frighten you. This peace of mind flooding all over you. When you whistle loud, the clouds will spin your sound. Over and around, it shakes all of the proud. All of the proud. Don't you wanna separate your body from your mind? Don't you wanna dance with the devil to see what you can find? Don't you wanna feel the thunder deep inside your waking slumber? Don't you wanna wake up knowing where you do belong? Where you do belong.
Every hotel has at least 20 cats. Everywhere, every restaurant has 20 cats. Everywhere. Oh.
I'm Lori McCutcheon from Last Chance Ranch. Please donate, please help us so we can help the island dogs. Everybody goes on vacation, they see the island dogs, so help us do this.
Well, we are just setting up for surgery today. Everything is getting their materials ready and their operation tables, and then we are going to get started with surgeries. We hope to do about 100 surgeries today.
Hang on, let go for a sec.
When